Are you looking for solutions of wood cracking, warping and damage? Is your garden deck looking a little on the dull side, but you are not sure how to give it an update? This summer, give your home a new lease of life. Presenting Aquadecks, a penetrating water-based wood finish that leaves a long-lasting, rich, matte finish for all woods. We have excellent stories while transforming the old woods with Aquadecks. We cleaned this neglected barbecue hut with Owatrol Aquanett and neutralized afterwards with Net-Trol. Then we gave the perfect finishing with Aquadecks Honey. We cleaned this garden shed with Net-Trol and treated with 2 coats of Aquadecks. We have also restored this nice garden table with 2 coats of Owatrol Aquadecks. Let's see what our clients think about our work.
We built our barbecue hut in 2010, which can seat 18 people around the charcoal barbecue at the center. Over the years, I treated the exterior and decking. However, it gradually deteriorated and discolored. It became an eyesore at the end of the garden. I sought advice from a number of hardware outlets and other professionals, who suggested using bleach, painting over the timber or mechanical sanding on the surfaces. None of these solutions made sense to me. One day I called to a local builder's merchant and showed one of their counter-staff photos of the barbecue hut. He suggested that I ask advice of Igoe International and gave me their number. I called them and spoke to Brendan and sent him my photos. Brendan told me that he had products which would restore the barbecue hut to its original state. I was skeptical. He was very generous with his time advising me of the steps that I needed to take. He convinced me, and I decided to give it a go. I collected the preparation products Owatrol Aquan, Dilunit and Net-Trol from Igoe International. I tackled the worst side of the hut first and could not believe how effective the treatment was. It restored the blackened wood to its original state, and removed the old varnish. I was so delighted with how it turned out.
With Aquadecks, you don't have to worry about peeling or flaking because it has non-film forming. Therefore, it is easy to maintain without sanding or stripping. We are always there for our clients. To get a quote, please visit our showroom or give us a call.